So welcome back to the channel everyone, Triple M here, and once again with Black Friday right around the corner, I'm giving you a lot of gift ideas for this upcoming holiday. So today we're taking a look at a portable monitor, guys. Now this particular one is from AUZAI, measures 15.6 inches. Now this will be perfect for any gamer if you're on the go with your Nintendo Switch, your PlayStation, whatever the case is. It's also good as a second monitor, so for your PC, or you can hook it up to your phone, whatever has an HDMI output, you should be able to hook this up and have that additional screen. So in this video we're going to do a quick unboxing. We're going to test it out, of course, to see how it performs, see the quality. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Now, big shout out to AUZAI for sending this out to me to review. This is a sponsored review. However, all the thoughts and opinions are of my own. Now, the size is a 15.6 inch IPS screen, guys. Now, the ratio on this is 6:9, and the resolution is 1920 1080, so 1080p. As far as the color temperature, guys, 6500K. So the viewing angles, the height is plus or minus 85 degrees, and the vertical side to side is 85 as well. So contrast ratio is 1001. And the brightness is 250 CD. Now it does have a built-in speaker. It does have a 3.5mm headphone interface, so you guys can run audio through this. And overall, just excited to get this out of the box. So let's go ahead and do that. This one's a tough one. That's not a very good sound. So first thing, they did include a screen protector on this, so very nice. Here's the monitor itself. Don't want to damage it. Ugh. And let's just make sure we don't have anything else in the box. Sometimes they like to hide stuff. Good thing I checked. We do have a microfiber cloth to wipe your screen. So they included USB-A to USB-C. We also have a regular USB-C cable, both ends. We do have an HDMI cable. All right, nothing else in the box. Let's double check it. I think that's it for the box. So here it is, guys. Nice and skinny. So thinner than my finger. I have fat fingers. And wow. Look at this. That is awesome looking. So let's see how this opens. So this is the back. Wow. Look how thin that is. Holy moly. This is pretty impressive, guys. All right, so on this side, USB-C, USB-C, we also have an HDMI. Look like it's a smaller HDMI connection. So on this side, this is the power button. This is actually the menu, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but this kind of moves up and down and also presses in. So that's how you'll navigate through the interface. Down at the bottom, you do have your 3.5mm headphone jack. Rubber legs. And I'm just overall impressed with the quality of this so far. Really nice looking. So how do we get it on the stand is the question. So I finally got the stand of the holder in place, and this is what it looked like from the side. I am not proud of myself. It took way longer than it should have, but nevertheless I got it up and running. So this sits right there, guys. It does have magnets, and you can adjust the angle a little bit, not too much, but you can see you have some wiggle room right there. So this is very low power, guys. So if you do have a laptop, MacBook or Dell laptop, for instance, with a USB-C, all you need to do is connect that C, then connect the video input, and you should be good to go. So I do have a Dell laptop right here, guys, and on this laptop we have two USB-C ports. So if you don't have a brick or an available outlet, you can use your laptop to power this device. So I'm gonna go USB-C right there, and we're gonna go USB-C into the device. There it is. Power's on, goes to power saving mode. However, no display is detected. So what we're gonna have to do now is hook up the HDMI cable that came with the monitor. So here we are connected, guys, and you can see everything looks pretty good. We do have it in full screen right now, extended monitor. All we have to do is hit the Windows P, and then we can go up and move it to duplicate, and you can see everything is now duplicated. Looks pretty good, guys. Looks really good. So let's dive into the menu of the actual monitor. So right here we do have the brightness slash contrast, so it is adjusted all the way to 100 right now. We do have eco, game, movie, photo. Hit the back button to go back. All right, let's go back in. We're gonna put it back to standard. All right, hit the back button. DCR sharpness. We do have our color settings, so color temperature, hue, saturation, 6 colors, and we do have color gamut. Further down, we do have audio settings. So if I didn't mention it before, this does have a built-in speaker. We're going to listen to that in a little bit. Other settings, so we have the aspect ratio set to full right now, FreeSync. We also have a language, HDR, and we do have the option to reset it. And further down, you do have the input source, guys. So 2 USB-C ports and 1 HDMI on this side. So we can use that second USB-C port as an input. So pretty cool. As far as the viewing angle, guys, you can see right there is about where the pictures start to go out. And also about right there. So let's go ahead and play some audio from one of my recent videos. So I decided to start out with this Nvidia Shield because they made a lot of changes to the overall hardware. You can see right there, there's a round dongle. They made the changes to the remote as well. And in this video, we're going to do a quick unboxing. Alright, so that sounds pretty good. Like I said, this is a good companion if you guys are traveling and you have a laptop. You can just plug it in directly, no external power needed. So what if you wanted to play video games or view something on your Fire Stick, watch a movie, whatever the case is, you don't have a laptop, you do have options as well. Now, with something like the Fire Stick with a regular HDMI port, guys, you can easily buy one of these adapters. They're cheap on Amazon, $3 or $4. You get a couple of them. So what this is a regular HDMI to mini HDMI. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it into the side. So here we are back on the channel, guys, and you can see some of my videos here once again. So welcome back to the channel. There we go. Here. Today we got a mesh. So still looks good, guys. I think they're driving on the wrong side of the road. I have no idea which country I'm in right now. I also do have the big boy right here. This is a pretty cool device I reviewed a couple months ago. And with something like this with the mini HDMI as well, what you can do, guys, is use the original cable that came with it. You're going to use one of these adapters. Right? Doesn't matter which end you plug in. Alright, we're going to swipe up, unlock this bad boy. First, let me just go home. So all this is doing is mirroring this device. This is an Android device, but you can see I have all the apps there. This is a gaming device, obviously, with the big controls built in. But if you guys just want a bigger screen, you do have it available to you. Let me see if I can go ahead and just get a game started here. So obviously this works for anything that you want to make portable, guys. So if you guys have a laptop, works well. If you guys do have a gaming system, Xbox, even a Nintendo Switch, it's going to be perfect for you when you're on the go. So definitely a cool accessory, especially for you guys that want to be portable, whether it's a laptop, whether it's a gaming device, whether it's a streaming stick like the Fire Stick or the Nvidia Shield. This will be perfect for you to take on the go. So if you guys have any questions about this, drop them in the comment section below. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up on this video. Share this video if you think it might be a cool gift idea for this coming holiday season. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.